Hello everyone. So today we are going to demonstrate the storage type water heater, its different parts, and how we are going to troubleshoot any issues which are going to be happening on a storage type water heater. So let us have a look. So this is the tank which is actually having the water carrying capacity of 50 liters, and now these are the elements that are inside the water storage plant. So in this, the circuit diagram is depicted on the body of the panel. So we are having three major components. One is thermo cutout, one is thermostat, the heating element, and two LEDs, one red LED and one green LED is there. So this is the power cable which will be giving power to the total system. It is connected directly. One is the earthing wire. You can just come closer. I will just show you the different items here. So it is a 3-core cable which is having one earthing wire, one phase wire and one neutral wire. So the phase wire directly, according to the circuit, it directly goes to the thermo cutout. So this is the thermo cutout. It is directly going into the thermo cutout. From the thermo cutout, one red LED is here, that is connected here, and another green LED is here. So red LED generally gives the indication that the geyser is getting power supply. So the green LED, once the thermostat operates, the red LED also glows. So if you are facing that you are getting power to the geyser, but the red LED is not glowing, that means the thermo cutout is actually tripped. So you need to reset using the reset button. So these type of faults generally occur if you don't have power, don't have water inside the storage type water heater and you start it. So that time it cuts out the circuit to protect the thermo cutout circuit. Now also the phase wire is directly connected to the heating element. This one is the heating element, the curved one, and these are two thermo cutout sensing rods which gives the sensing of hot water or cold water to the thermo cutout. Now the thermo cutout is regulated by a regulator which is in two positions. One is off position, one is max position. So you can just operate the desired temperature according to which the water will be heated. So this is here, and these two sensing terminals, one is from the thermostat and the other one is going to the heating element. So according to the temperature set, the thermocouple and the thermostat will be working and the heating element will be giving the desired amount of temperature. So this one is actually a thermostat which is inside the tank. This senses the temperature of the water inside the tank and feedbacks to the regulator. Say for example, I have set a temperature of say around medium. Here in the regulator I have set a temperature of medium. Then the thermostat will compare the water temperature inside the tank. Whenever the temperature is near the set temperature, then it will operate and the thermostat will cut out and the heating process will stop. So this will actually save the energy that is used in the geyser. This feature actually when a consumer is actually turning on the geyser and forgets to turn off it, so this feature actually is used to save the power inside the geyser. Now whenever the required heating is we have got, then the green LED which is here, it is located as heating, this will glow out or this will be turned off. That the geyser has now got sufficient amount of water which is at the desired temperature. Now it will stop working according to the sensor which has already provided the feedback signal that the water inside the tank is now fully hot and no need to further heat it. So it will turn off the heating process and the LED here which is showing the heating process will be turned off. So now in the second phase we will be connecting or we will be again installing it inside the tank.
ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ এই ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ ଏବଂ या पर जदि आप आहरी वीडियो चाहूँगी जोटा कि स्पेशली आमर 9th 10th क्लास सिलेबस अनुसार अच्छी तो आम यहाँ निहाती आपको सपोर्ट देवु और निहाती वीडियो बनइबू तापाई आम आपको अनुरोध करूँ कि आप चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब कर रखु ताकि आप फ्यूचर नोटिफिकेशन सबुतक पाइपर। थैंक यू।